Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Select the advanced tab. In here you just need to find disable script debugging. Just check mark this box and then select apply, and now select the general tab, select the delete option, check mark all of these 1 2 3 4 5. After check marking it, select delete option. After getting deleted, just select apply and OK for save changes. Now your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.